Morning. This is where the journey begins. A testament to world-class engineering and the enduring spirit of Royal Enfield.
This machine precisely cuts the steel sheets. The sparks you see are a byproduct of the intense heat shaping the new motorcycle frames.
Before production begins, we ensure the quality of our materials. This high-grade steel and aluminum undergoes a rigorous inspection process right here.
Right. These robots weld the Royal Enfield frame with extreme precision. The laser guidance ensures every joint is perfect.
We've checked the strength parameters here. Now let's review the alignment.
The caliper readings are within tolerance, and the laser shows perfect alignment on this joint.
Very good.
Here we are shaping the engine components. The accuracy is critical, with the CNC machine achieving micron-level precision on every curve of this part.
Welcome to the heart of the operation. These high-pressure machines cast the molten aluminum into the precise engine casings you see here.
Now carefully lower the crankshaft into the block. Ensure the timing marks align perfectly before we secure the pistons.
As you can see, the vibration sensors are reading within tolerance. We analyze the noise profile here. This is where the magic happens. The hydraulic press applies controlled force, molding the aluminum precisely.
Excellence. The synchronized movement ensures a perfect coat. This deep forest green and the gold pinstriping is our state-of-the-art drying oven, where the painted parts are baked to ensure that long-lasting durability and shine you're looking for.
Disappearance. Here is where the magic happens. The spokes are fitted into the rim with surgical precision. Then the tire is mounted.
Here we have the complete suspension assembly under load. The front forks and the rear shock are both cycling rapidly, demonstrating their damping capability.
Securing the main harness is critical for reliability. Use the tension tool until it snaps, ensuring a perfect, safe installation every time.
Welcome to final assembly. The engine, frame, wheels, and tank all come together seamlessly on this state-of-the-art conveyor line.
The technician is now applying the specified torque. We monitor the digital readout closely, ensuring every bolt meets the exact specification.
The machine is now fully engaged, simulating extreme road conditions. We can precisely replicate the stresses.
As you can see, the hydraulic actuators mimic real-world riding conditions, putting the suspension through severe jolts. And so we conclude our journey here as these finished Royal Enfield motorcycles roll out of the factory, ready for riders worldwide.
If you want to explore more amazing discoveries, hidden truths, and fun facts from history, make sure to follow and subscribe to our channel.